Hey, what's up guys, Tasche here, and today I'll be reviewing the latest version of WP Blazor Suite. Now, this is the 3.0 version of the software, and what WP Blazor Suite is, in case you haven't used it or never heard of it, it's a cloud-based software which allows you to manage all of your WordPress sites in one place. It also includes a lot of other great features, including the ability to secure your sites from hackers, which is very important. Now, the software comes from Cindy Donovan, and if you ever bought any of her software before, you know she always delivers high quality stuff. In fact, I recently just recently reviewed and promoted one of her other products, SenukeTweet, which is a Twitter software. Now, this software here has been out for a while. It's gone through a few other versions already, and it is, in my opinion, the absolute best WordPress management software that you can find. Now, a few things that I look for in any product that I'm promoting. Whenever I'm going to recommend a product to my subscribers, my followers, is I want to make sure that it meets a few criteria. First of all, the sales page needs to show benefits and features of the software. Okay, I need to know what it does and how it's going to benefit me and my subscribers when they purchase. I also want to know, is there a money back guarantee? Okay, do they actually stand behind their product? And I also like to see testimonials from other users. So when you go to the sales page, you can actually watch Cindy's intro video here, and you're going to see a lot of listings of features and benefits that tell you exactly what the software does and how it's going to benefit you. Right here, Cindy offers a money-back guarantee, a 30-day money-back guarantee. You use the software for 30 days. If you don't like it, just let her and her staff know, and they'll refund your money, no questions asked. Finally, if we scroll down the page, we're going to see several testimonials from other users who have used it with success. Okay, you get a few up here, a few down here. You get some well-known marketers plus some that aren't so well-known. So you get different people at different levels of experience having success with this software. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and do a demo of the software. Okay, and then after that we're going to talk about the front-end product and the OTOs you'll be offered. And then we're going to talk about a special bonus package that I'm giving you. When you take action, you pick up your copy of WP Blazor Suite 3.0 through my link. So let's go and do that demo, and I'll be right back.
Hi there, and during this video, we are going to be talking about WP Blazor, and I'm going to go through the dashboard here and show you all the cool stuff that it can do. Now, basically, WP Blazor allows you to manage multiple WordPress websites right here inside of one central dashboard. Now, as you can see here, I have a bunch of sites connected already to my Blazor account. And to add a site, very simple, we are going to click on Add Site here. You need to enter the site name, the WordPress URL, if you would like to add this to a group or to create a new group so you can group websites together to easily manage those websites. For example, I can create a group for all of my Amazon affiliate websites. I can create a separate group for my blogs and things like that. Next up, if you have a client, you can select that client here and then click on Add Site. Now, once you add your site, you need to download the plugin and then enter your API key here to activate it. Or you can click on Activate Automatically, enter your username or email and your password for your WordPress website. This information is not stored anywhere. It's just going to be used to quickly install and activate your plugin for you in a matter of seconds. So completely up to you. Download it yourself and enter the API key or have it done automatically. I'm going to close out of this. Once you have it installed, you will see that website listed here. As you can see for my demo website that I entered, it is pending right now because I haven't activated the plugin yet. Let's go ahead and talk about the different things that we can do inside of WP Blazor. I'm going to go ahead and click on the dashboard for one of my websites. So we're going to open that up. Once I open that up, you can quickly see that we have a little dashboard here with an overview of our plugins, our themes, the posts, the comments, etc. On the left-hand side, I'm going to click on My WordPress. Next, I'm going to click on Upgrade. Now this here allows me to quickly see if anything on my WordPress website needs to be upgraded. So for WordPress itself, I can see that there is a new version available, and all I have to do is click on Update to go ahead and update that. If I click on Plugins, I can see the different plugins that need to be updated. And same thing for themes. If I click on that, I can see that this theme needs to be updated. Now, one of the main features here inside of WP Blazor is the amount of time that it saves us. So for example, I'm going to go back to plugins here, and I have, let's say, the all-in-one SEO pack that needs to be updated. Well, if I have 25, 30 different WordPress websites, that all has this plugin, it can be a little tedious to go to each and every one, log in, and update that plugin one by one. What I can do is, instead of focusing on this individual website, I'm going to click on my group name, which is demo. Remember I said you can create groups based on whatever you want. I could have a group called Amazon Affiliate Websites and have 50 different WordPress websites inside of that group. So I'm going to click on the word demo, which is my group title. And now what's going to happen is it's going to show me updates based on plugins and themes rather than websites. So for example, there is a WordPress update to 4.6.3. If I click this plus symbol, I will see all the different websites inside of my group that need to be updated to the newer WordPress, which is 4.7.2. So 4 of my websites need to be updated. I can click on update all 4 of those instantly. Same thing for the plugins and the themes. On plugins, I will see the different plugins that I have installed on my various websites. If I click on the all-in-one SEO pack, for example, I can see that 2 of my websites need to update that plugin. So I can click on update all. Same thing for the other plugins. 3 of my websites need to be updated. So I'm going to click on update all. Once I do that, we can see right now they're currently being updated. And we're going to give it just a second here. That one is done being updated. That one is now being finished updated. And now that one is finished updating. Just like that. 3 of my websites have updated their plugin. And I can go through here and do the same for the other ones. And same thing for the themes. We can see which themes need to be updated on which websites and do that with one click of a button. Now we're going to click on plugins over here on the left hand side. And again, we are currently looking at our demo, which contains all of these different websites. So if I were to click on Backup Buddy, for example, I can see which websites have Backup Buddy installed and whether it is activated or deactivated. So we can see here on site number 3, for example, I have the plugin installed and it's activated. So I could come in here and I could deactivate it if I wanted to. I also have the plugin installed on site 1 and site 2, but it's not activated. So I can come in here and individually activate it, or I can click on activate all and activate it on all my different websites. And as you can imagine, it's the same thing with the themes. I can come in here and activate themes or deactivate them across multiple websites. If I wanted to go ahead and add a plugin, which is a big deal, across multiple websites. Let's say that a new list building plugin came out and I wanted to install it on all 25 of my WordPress blogs. I can click on add new plugin at the top right. I can add a plugin from my vault, or I can browse the WordPress database and upload a plugin from here. So let's say, for example, I wanted to install, let's say, the contact form 7, okay? I'm going to click on install. Once I do that, I need to select which websites I want to install this plugin on. So I'm going to select all 4 of them, and I can choose to either go ahead and just install it and not activate it, or I can go ahead and install and activate the plugin. I'm just going to install it for now. So we can see right now the plugin is instantly being installed on 4 different websites with the click of a button. So we have it installed here, we have it installed here. Just give it a few more seconds here, and it's finished. Just like that. And as we can see, we have contact form 7 listed here now. And if I click on that, we can see that we have it installed on those 4 websites. And I can choose to go ahead and activate on all of them, activate on just a few of them. I can also come in here to delete plugins. I could delete a plugin on all my websites or just a few of them. And I can configure the settings for each individual website. All right. So that's how we manage multiple WordPress websites at the same time. And of course, if you wanted to dive into just one individual website, all you have to do is click on it from your list, and you will see that the plugins navigation looks a little bit different now. We can see the exact plugins on that individual website, and we can come in here and deactivate them, activate them, delete them, and so forth. We also have the ability to manage the post, the comments, the users, which is pretty standard. I'll jump into the post really quick. We can edit our post here, we can delete our post, and again, we can do this across multiple WordPress websites at the same time. Let's go ahead and jump down here to our cloud backup. WordPress Blazor allows you to do backups to all your WordPress websites, and you can even schedule them and run them automatically. So right now I have just my one individual website selected. Of course, I can select the entire group, and now we can see them all here. I can back up the files plus the database, just the database, and I can schedule my backup. And up here at the top right, I can back up all of these at the same time. If you want to schedule a backup, we're going to click on schedule backup here. As you can see, I already have some of these scheduled daily at 5 o'clock, nighttime schedule, daily backup, daily backup. So I can simply click on add a schedule here, select which website I would like to schedule the backup for, give it a task name, how often I would like to back up that website, and the destination. So we can back it up to Amazon, email, FTP, and so forth. So that there is the overview for WP Blazor, allowing you to manage multiple WordPress websites in a single dashboard and make changes across all those websites with a single click of the mouse.
All right, now that we've seen a demo of the software and you know what's included and what the software can do for you, let's talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, because like any other product launch in the IM space, WP Blazor Suite is going to be offering you several one-time offers to help you enhance your purchase and enhance the functionality of the software. So first of all, the front-end product, of course, is the WP Blazor Suite software, and you have three options. You can pay monthly at $9.97 per month. You can also purchase it at a yearly price at $37 per year, or you can purchase the lifetime option for that's starting at $37 and going up as high as $67 during the launch phase. Now, the first OTO is the Pro version of the software, and that's going to give you several enhanced uh, features that's not included with the basic version, and that's going to start. It's going to be $27 for unlimited sites. Okay. The second OTO is the developer's license, which allows you to manage sites for unlimited clients and unlimited websites, and that's a $67 upgrade. Okay. We also have the third OTO, which is the white label version, which means you can actually sell the software as your own product, and that's two versions of this that you can purchase. You can purchase simple plugin rebranding because you do add a plugin to your site that's going to connect it to the software, and you can do that for $97 just to rebrand the plugin, or you can do full rebranding of the software at $97 per year. All right. So now that we've gone over the front end and the OTOs, let's talk about the special bonus package that I'm offering for you when you take action now and you grab your copy of WP Blazor Suite 3.0 through my link. So if you're on my review page, you can just scroll down and click on the Get Your Bonuses Here link, and that's going to open up the bonus page in a separate window. And give that a second to open up. I'm on a slow internet connection, so it may take a second. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while it loads up. All right, so now that we're back, now that it's finally loaded up, excuse me, it did take a few seconds for the web page to load up. I do apologize. I am on a very slow hotel Wi-Fi connection right now, but these are all the bonuses that I'm going to be offering you when you take action. You grab your copy of WP Blazor Suite 3.0 through my link, and we scroll down here. You'll see I've added a little bit of the features here of the software. There's a few. I'm not going to go over all the bonuses here. You can actually go over them by clicking the button down below on the review page and checking them out for yourself. But I have several bonuses, a lot of WordPress software and plugins, a lot of other traffic generating bonuses, list building bonuses, etc. that I'll be giving you when you grab your copy of the software through my link. I'm just going to go and scroll through these real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on them. A few WordPress themes and a couple other bonuses here as well. So what I need you to do right now, is if you're on YouTube, click the link down below. It's going to take you to my review page. If you're on my review page, there will be and actually here's what's right here. There's going to be a buy button on the page, somewhere on the page here. Click that button and grab your copy of WP Blazor Suite 3.0 right now while it's at the best possible price. Now the product just launched today, January 4th, 2018, okay? And it's only going to be available for a few days. Now keep in mind right here, you're going to see this countdown timer on my review page, and I'm going to have the countdown timer on my bonus page as well. That timer is going to tell you a few things. When that timer hits 0, the special launch of WP Blazor Suite 3.0 will be over, and the bonus will be taken away as well. So you want to make sure that you grab your copy of the software before that timer hits 0. That way you secure your bonuses and you secure the best possible price for the software. So with that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching and look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.